Alabama state line. There you go. Little town down there, look. That's where we're going as well. Sweet Home, Alabama. Flomaton. Flomaton? How would you pronounce that?
Flomaton, I don't know. Oh, that's a public library there.
Go straight over for a minute. That place.
Yeah, and that looks rich. A church. And the place is old. Still lived in, by the looks of it.
Yeah. Got a skinny little dog there, chained up.
Larry White Insurance Agency.
Ah.
A few cars here. What we got? Coca-Cola.
Angie's Place.
Boutique, yeah.
Railroad Nutrition. Salads and such.
Okay. Yeah. The porch.
Cosmetic Studio.
Just scrape the wheels then.
I did. Big chunky tyres. I was on the road a little bit more. Proper little old town, isn't it?
Old town. Another church, blimey. There's two churches in this little shoe shop. Music shop.
The railroad.
Nothing's right.
Hmm?
That's it.
That be it?
Hey, quite a few lines here.
Yeah. There's a rail yard.
Look down here then, see what they're looking.
Stop, but you never see another car coming.
You might do. Right. Close. Contractors, Paradise Tanning, Hair Boutique.
Well, Angie's Place is... It's got to be a coffee shop, hasn't it? Oh no.
Shop.
We will be closed Monday. It's coffee, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah?
I think so.
Okay.
Have a walk.
Yeah, I'll turn round. They've got numbers, these bays.
Okay.
Yeah.
They got the clothes outside. You can set them.
Mad, isn't it? Right, we go back down. Yeah, there's the post office.
So what town are we in? We're in Alabama.
Flomaton.
Flomaton. We're in Alabama.
Flomaton. Flomaton. I don't know how they pronounce
I
it.
don't know.
I'll ask the question probably. We'll get back there, see if we can get a coffee. Be nice, be different, wouldn't it? There's a bank.
It's a church.
Alright, driving.
It's a church.
Okay.
Another jeweller's there, Len's Jewellers.
Is that one open?
Yeah, that was open. It was a bit chatty. First of all, I love looking at little things and how people live. And
I know.
it's good.
Apparently the town centre's here, We haven't quite reached it yet.
Oh, right, let's go and see the town centre then. Oh, the railway yard. What?
That building's the town centre.
That?
That's what it says there, look.
Oh, you're joking. I think that
It's the
was
centre of the town.
Yeah, I think that was the centre.
That's where the Lord Mayor lives.
Oh, well, I don't know. Barrows, whatever that is. Where's the Lord Mayor live?
In there.
No, it doesn't.
Right, there we go. We're just about to. We have arrived.
Oh,
Flomaton.
right.
Continue.
Okay.
20 minutes to the next one.
Looks like we've got a garage over.
Oh, there's some more here. Yes.
Barrows? What's Barrows? Your one-stop furniture shop. Oh, we're not going down there.
No, we're not. Sorry, actually. No, we're not. No, we came. Yeah, we haven't. No, we're not. No. Right.
Look at all this space. It is
I
right
know.
for the railway, I think.
Yes, there's
isn't
old tracks down there.
Big sign up there, Sophia Coffee Co.